Hi. Hello guys, welcome back again in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you another Faucet website you can claim every 5 minutes and 25 times claim per day. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Okay, let's get started. If you have Faucet Pay account, you can claim your Faucet direct to Faucet Pay account. If you don't have Faucet Pay account, this website link available in description. This website name is Ethereum. You can claim your Ethereum from this Faucet. Okay, if you have an Ethereum wallet, you go to withdrawal. Okay, I copy my Ethereum wallet address. Okay, sorry, linked address, and this is the MetaMask wallet address. Just I click. Oh, sorry. Just I copy and come here, Ethereum, paste to Ethereum. Okay, this website pay you this much Ethereum every 5 minutes and 25 times claim per day. Okay, this is very high payment of the Ethereum. Just I click, I'm not a robot, I'm human. Just click buy skills and click next, and again buy skills. Okay, and this is very easy of capture. Just solve it and you can just click and claim this one. Okay, this one is 4, just 3 plus 1 is 4. This one is 8, this is 8 and 3 and 6. With 3 seconds this website pay you instantly in your Faucet Pay account, and this is very high payment website. And if the Ethereum price going down, this website pay you much more. Okay, go to user dashboard. I show you the withdrawal proof of this website. This website pay me instantly. Okay, you can see this website pay me instantly in my Faucet Pay account. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos, and bye bye for now.